We are going to be replacing the air filter on a 2024 Audi Q5.
Okay, so we're gonna remove the air filter. The air filter is inside here. So we're gonna be using a Torx 25 bit. So there's bolts all around here. We're gonna have to remove them. So that's it. Just slightly pop it off. There you go. And here it is. So the way you remove it, there's a lock right here. You just push it down. At the same time, you want to twist it. Alright, so the way you put it back, so there's a little clip here that has to connect up here, and then obviously there's a clip underneath.
We'll leave two here and then I'll take the other two to the house.
There you go. And then you just put it back into the little spot. Show everything the lines. And then you just put the bolt.
And that's how to remove and replace an air filter on a 2024 Audi Q5.